Hi Nandita,
Hi, ma'am.
this is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side, Nandita.
Okay.
Yeah, Nandita, can you introduce about yourself and about your native and your college?
I am Nandita Patil. I am from Belagavi and I have done my engineering under VT, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi.
Okay, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
I am just searching for a good institute to learn about practical things and I'm searching Google, so I got it.
Okay, that's good. Which course you have joined for Nandita?
CSM plus P.
Okay, you have chosen BIM also. So how
Yes.
was your training sessions held? What you have learned?
In CSM, ma'am, good. I have learned about reading of drawings, sequence of construction, and bill of quantity, quantity survey, quality controls, and all this. And like softwares in BIM, AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit.
Okay, like how was your software sessions? How you have learned? What you have learned?
Software sessions are so good. Trainers teaches well, and I got just knowledge about AutoCAD, SketchUp, and Revit.
Okay, how many site visits you have attended? Where and all you have went for site visits, industrial visits?
Ma'am, like site visit me in Jain. I thought I got knowledge about footings and all, and IKEA showrooms for interiors and hospital visits and all.
That's good. Can you say about your trainers? How they have helped you?
Trainers are good, ma'am. They teach us a lot, and it helps in our future also.
Okay, like how was Ashok's support towards you? Like how he guided you out?
Yes, Ashok sir was good motivational speaker, and we learned about that, and we got idea about how to face problems in our civil field. And Ashok sir was good.
Okay, how the staff and the coordinator of CMTI helped you out? How was their support towards you?
Yes, ma'am. Everyone supports well. Good ma'am, everything is.
Okay. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and junior about CMTI?
Refer them, ma'am. I'll refer them for CMTI to join and learn something about practical knowledges of civil buildings.
Yeah, thank you, Nandita. Thanks for the feedback video.
Thank you, ma'am.